Hello, stampers and crafters. Happy Friday. Welcome to my Friday Facebook Live. I'm on a little bit earlier today, but I have reasons. If you're new here, if you've never seen me before, my name is Sarah Chatello McGuire. I'm from Sassy Paper Crafts. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I go live here every Friday to show you easy, fun crafts. So I have a super fun, super quick, super easy project for you. I am on, like I said, a bit earlier. Let me pull up my comments here. If you're watching on Facebook or you're watching the replay on YouTube, please say hello. I love hearing from all of you. Um, it's been a Friday, you guys. It's definitely been a day. I had to go to Tractor Supply. They were out of the thing I needed. Spike has a vet appointment today. My husband and I are going to the chiropractor this afternoon. It's a Friday. I got lots going on. So, but I wanted to show you this super quick card. And if I could find my comments, that would be amazing. I also, before we get started, wanted to talk about just a couple of things. Found the video. If you have been paying attention, I know I sure haven't. Stampin' Up! Has redesigned their website, and I hope I can still talk and you can hear me while this is playing, but this is the new website. So everything is different now. And then there's also a new kit. So this is the Best Remedy kit, and it is a like get well type of kit. Yep, there it is. I'll be showing you here in a second. The Best Remedy kit is $23. It's brand new. I would suggest to get that before it's gone. If you couldn't hear me, just because I don't know if you could or not, if you couldn't hear that, the Stampin' Up! Website is different, and there's a new kit. Wrapping that up in a nutshell. Also, it is celebration. So for every $50 and $100 you spend, you get free product. Click the link in the description to shop my online store and get your free stuff. It ends August 31st. Also, when you host a party with me during celebration and your party sales total $300, not only do you get Stampin' Rewards, you get a super cool, free, absolutely free host set. So to start your party, click that host a party link in the description of this video. And one more thing, another way to celebrate is joining my team. If you have ever spent $100 on Stampin' Up!, this is for you. So for $99, this is our normal join special. For $99, you get to pick $125 worth of product. You get free shipping on that. You get catalogs. You get all kinds of things. But during celebration, so July and August, you also get this beautiful free planner. And this planner, you guys, is gorgeous. And I did a video on it on YouTube. So if you're on YouTube, after this video, go ahead and watch that. If you're not on YouTube, if you're watching me on Facebook, go ahead and head over to my YouTube channel and watch the Making Plans Planner video. So let's get started. I'm going to turn off my camera, switch it around so you can see my desk. Hopefully I don't accidentally exit out of the video. I have done that once or twice. There's my desk. There is our project. This is the host code. So if you are planning on placing an order in July, use this host code. I will send you a free gift in August. This is the card we're making today. It uses the Watercolor Shapes Stamp Set. So we've been talking about watercoloring all week long. This is a no mess way to watercolor. So it's a stamp set. It's a photopolymer stamp set, and it has all these beautiful stamps in it, 9 of them. And we're going to be using this big circle here and this little circle. And then I also pulled the Good Feelings cling stamp set. There are 6 stamps in here, and these are all sentiments. So for this card here, I use the thank you. I think for our card today, I'm going to use I'm just so happy for you, which is here. So only 3 stamps and 3 ink colors. We're going to be using Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tie, which are new ink colors, and Polished Pink, which is last year's ink color. So 3 inks, 3 stamps. Let's get some blocks. I'm going to use an E block for our big circle. I'm going to use a, what is this? A B block for our little circle. And let's see, will this fit on a D block? Not quite. Let's grab an I block for our sentiment. And I get my blocks all in a block bundle. You can get them separately. I like the bundle. So I just have a piece of basic white here. This measures 5 1/4 by 4. And we're going to start with Tahitian Tide, I think. It is one of my favorite in colors. Move my sentiment out of the way because we're going to do that last. So I'm just going to take my big circle. I'm going to ink it up. I'm not pushing too hard. I'm just tap, tap, tap. And you can see that's good and inked up. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my grid paper and I'm going to stamp off is what we call it. So you stamp off and then see how dark that is? I don't want that on my card. So I'm going to stamp again on my card. And it's a lot lighter. It's a lot softer. I'm going to, let's see, we'll do a little one in Tahitian Tide. Let's see. You're also going to need a way to clean your stamps for this card. I have my Stampin' Scrub. You can also use a Simply Chamois. So I'm just doing the same thing. I'll put one up there. And then I have papers all over my Stampin' Scrub because why not? Just going to open it up. The Stampin' Scrub has a wet side and a dry side. So on the wet side, I just take the Stampin' Mist, spray that wet side. A couple squirts is all you need. Rub it on one side, rub it on the dry side, and your stamp is clean and ready to go. I'm going to set that to the side because we're not going to put that away. Let me open up my Parakeet Party. And there is a very good chance that I'm going to put my hand in an ink pad today. So I'm just going to ink this one up. Same way as the Tahitian Tide, just tap, tap, tap. I'm going to stamp off. I'm running out of room. Put a big circle there. Same thing with the little one. Put that one down there. And every card you make doing this technique, it's going to look different. So that's what I like about it. It'd help if I was holding this correctly. Now let's grab polished pink. Same thing again, just tap, tap, tap. I don't have enough ink on there. Tap, tap, tap. Stamp off. Right onto the cardstock. Tap, tap, tap. Stamp off. And go over here with that one. And I'm kind of overlapping them. Just cleaning this stamp off. I'm going to go back in with Tahitian Tide. One there. I only want 3 of the large circles, so I'm pretty much done with that one. Put one here. Go back in with that polished pink. And I'm just cleaning my stamp off as I go. Another Tahitian Tide. Whoops, almost threw that. And one more Parakeet Party. We'll go up here with it. And one more polished pink, because why not? All right, now we can go in. Let me clean this one off quick. Now we can go in with our sentiment. And I used Tahitian Tide. I think I'm going to use Tahitian Tide again. So I'm going to put away polished pink and Parakeet Party. Keep Tahitian Tide out. Grab my sentiment. Ink that up really good. Perfect. I'm just going to clean that off. Put away my ink pad before I put my hand in it. I can't believe I didn't. I did do less circles on this card. Sometimes less is more. Now I have a thick basic white card base. I like the thick for card bases. They just hold up a lot better. I am just burnishing my score line with a bone folder. Hello, Jeanette. So this just measures 8 1/2 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. I'm going to grab some Stampin' Seal. And if you wanted to, actually, you know what? Let's do it a little bit different. I'm going to grab Stampin' Dimensionals, because that way, these simple cards, these are nice ways to just add a little bit of interest, just popping it up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. One in the middle, just have 5 there. And if you're a beginner crafter, you know, you don't have a lot of supplies, so this is a nice way to just add some interest to your card without getting a ton of stuff. Jeanette says she definitely agrees with the thick basic white. They are so much, they stand up so much better. I love our regular basic white for stamping, but the thick, I just like it for the card bases. So then to finish this card, I'm going to use some of the iridescent rhinestone basic jewels. These come in 3 sizes. There's a large, a medium, and a small. We're going to use all 3 because why not? And I have my it's called a Take Your Pick tool. I have a cat hair on it. There is a paper piercer on one end. And let me set this down and I'll show you. And then on the other end is a little spatula, which would also pick up these things. I just use the paper piercer more, and this just fell out. This is a putty, which you could use to pick up your embellishments as well. I prefer the paper piercer end. I think I'm just going to take 3 of these, 1 of each size. There. And that is it. We have 2 cards. They are different but similar. I love this stamp set. Took what, a few minutes to get this card together. Hello, Tammy. Hello, Kathy. So if you are interested in making this card, I will have a blog post up in about 15 minutes or so. I will link it in the description of this video. You can see all the products I've used, all the colors on my blog, or you can just go to sassypapercrafts.com. And I will be live again on Sunday in my VIP group. If you are not a member of my VIP group and you are not an active demonstrator, please head on over there. I do exclusive card tutorials every Sunday. So I will be live there on Sunday, and I will see you back here next Friday. Have a great weekend, everyone, and thanks for watching.